PDFs are boring to read. Let's turn them into smooth, swipe-friendly EPUBs in seconds. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to quickly convert any PDF into an EPUB file using Systweak PDF Editor. After opening your PDF file, go to the top menu bar and click on Convert. To convert the PDF to EPUB, click on Convert to. Select PDF to EPUB from these options. Confirm the output format and select the destination folder. Now click the Convert to EPUB button. This will convert your PDF file to an EPUB file and save it in the output folder. Let's check the files. Here's the original PDF and here's the EPUB file we just created from it. Now let's see how you can convert multiple PDF files to EPUB files all at once. To do this, you can click on Convert, go to Batch Process, select Batch Convert, drop the PDF files here, select EPUB in output format and select the destination folder. Click on the Convert to EPUB button and the tool will convert all the PDF files into EPUB files and save them in the output folder. Here are the PDFs and these are the EPUB files we just created from them. That's how easy it is to convert any PDF file into an EPUB file using the Systweak PDF Editor. You can check out other tutorials on Systweak PDF Editor by clicking the playlist link in the description. Also, you can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you face any issues, just drop a comment and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.